folks. You can just see today is Thursday, 21st of November. It's really snowing. Sun. This is a really snow weather today. Storm. Too much snow. I'm just on my way to work. It's really terrible, actually. Crazy weather. So this is the reality now. The winter is here now. It's really been snowing all night. Really crazy, really crazy. So this is how it is now. The winter season is here. It's the reality. It's the reality, folks. It's the reality here in Sweden today. On a Thursday morning, it's around 6:15 in the morning.